37-year-old man is brought to the emergency department after being attacked with a knife. Physical examination shows a 4 cm laceration in the midline of the right forearm. An MRI of the right arm shows damage to the nerve that runs between superficial and deep flexor digitorum muscles. Loss of sensation over which of the following areas is most likely? The dorsal aspect of the forearm, palmar surface of the little finger, lateral aspect of the forearm, fingertip of the index finger, medial aspect of the forearm, or dorsum of the thumb. What did this talk about? Damage to the nerve that runs between the superficial and deep flexor digitorum muscles. We know that is median nerve. They'll also ask about the nerve which runs between the pronator muscles. So you need to remember all the nerves like these. There's also nerve which pierces the brachioradialis. If I'm not, the musculocutaneous nerve pierces the brachioradialis muscles. I guess, yeah. So basically that you need to know all the relations of the nerve with the bony prominences. For example, how the fibular nerve goes around the neck of the fibula. The peroneal nerve, the common peroneal nerve, goes around the neck of the fibula. They'll ask questions like these. They ask a lot of questions like the relations of the nerves with muscles, some important muscles. So yeah, median nerve passes through the carpal tunnel into the hand. Within the hand, the median nerve motor branch innervates the thenar muscles and the lateral two lumbricals. The median nerve also provides sensory innervation to the thenar eminence, as well as the dorsal and palmar aspect of lateral 3.5 fingers, including the fingertips. Yep, basically. The dorsal aspect of the forearm is innervated by a branch of radial nerve. So basically radial nerve. And if the radial nerve gets injured, the most common site of injury of the radial nerve is the mid shaft of the humerus. And if there is a mid shaft of a humerus fracture, the radial nerve would get involved. If I remember correctly, I also talked about these fractures in my previous lecture. The palmar surface of the lateral finger is innervated by palmar branches of the ulnar nerve. Now these surfaces, lateral two fingers are covered by the ulnar nerve. The medial two fingers are covered by the ulnar nerve. The lateral three fingers are covered by the median nerve. So yeah. The lateral aspect of the forearm is innervated by a branch of musculocutaneous nerve called the lateral antebrachial cutaneous nerve, which you don't need to remember. You can only remember that it is innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve. The medial aspect of the forearm is innervated by the medial antebrachial cutaneous nerve. A different nerve lies between the flexor digitorum superficialis and profundus. The dorsum of the thumb is innervated by superficial branch of the radial nerve again. The back of the hand is innervated by the radial nerve and also the back of the forearm.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.